In today's video, I'm going to teach you some innovative alternatives for redeeming an Amazon gift card on Binance. You might be wondering if it's even possible to directly use Amazon gift cards on Binance. The short answer, according to various sources, is no. There currently isn't a reliable or official method to directly convert an Amazon gift card into cryptocurrency or fiat currency through Binance. But don't worry, there are still effective and creative alternatives that you can explore. Firstly, let's talk about how you can sell or trade your Amazon gift card. There are numerous gift card marketplaces and peer-to-peer trading platforms where you can list your Amazon gift card. These platforms allow you to sell or trade your card for cash or cryptocurrency, which you can then use to fund your Binance account. It's crucial to do your homework here. Look for platforms that are popular and well-trusted in your country. Ensuring the platform's legitimacy will help avoid scams and potential fraud. Another alternative is to look into crypto-friendly gift cards. Although Amazon gift cards aren't directly supported by Binance, the good news is that Binance has their own gift cards. Binance gift cards can be redeemed to crypto or fiat right within the Binance app or website. This option is straightforward and secure, allowing you to quickly dive into trading once you have the right gift card. You might also want to keep an eye out for promotions or third-party services that occasionally offer ways to convert Amazon gift cards to crypto via their exchange systems. However, it's important to tread carefully with this option. These services often come with high fees and might pose security risks. Moreover, using such third-party services could potentially be against the terms of service for both the card and the exchange, so proceed with caution. In summary, while a direct conversion method isn't available, you still have several interesting alternatives for transforming that Amazon gift card into crypto wealth on Binance. Whether you're selling your card through a peer-to-peer platform, using Binance's own gift card system, or cautiously engaging with promotional or third-party conversions, it's all about finding the path that suits your needs best. I'd recommend conducting careful research and being wary of potential pitfalls like scams and high fees. So, there you have it. Some viable options when it comes to redeeming your Amazon gift card for crypto on Binance. We hope this gives you a valuable starting point and empowers you to make the most out of your gift cards. Have any other tips or ideas to share? Feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.